What is up, guys? Today we're doing the $20 gun versus the $100 gun. So today we have two Daisy Bucks. This is simple starting airgun. Then we have all blue, the Blue Beast. $25, $20, $110. So you see me blow a Blue Beast, so she's already loaded. You've never seen me load with these, so I'll set you up and I'll do this. Such a precarious angle. Good, you can see. So you simply take safety on, cock it back all the way, close it, turn off safety, fire. Bam. It doesn't shoot every time. So first we're gonna do the reload speed test. So I'm gonna set you back up. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I need to shoot the Blue Beast. So give me a minute. Gorgeous. So let's see which is faster. Let's count actually. Ready, set, go. About 1.5 seconds. Now let's see this one. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, about 6.8. But now is the accuracy test. Let me get rid of this shot. Beautiful. We'll now shoot at these two front targets to see which gun can hit it in the minimal amount of rounds. So they're gonna be in the bottom left of your screen. I'm gonna start with the $20 gun. I'll shoot it 5 times alone. If I can't hit it, I'll use both of them at the same time. Shot 1. Missed. Wow, way missed. Okay, that's 5. I will now grab the other one and see if I can double pump action this. Oh yeah, the other one sounds different loading because it's older. I will now get both guns up, aim at the same target. You know what? No. That looks cool, but let's just snipe it. Okay. You can see the hole, right? Let's see if I can put another one in. Yeah, that one's, you can see it, right? So I have a lot of targets out there. The left one's gonna be for the $20 guns, and the right one's gonna be for the old blue, 110. So now I'm gonna see how many shots. That took about, let's say 10 shots. Let's see how many old blue can do it in. She's loaded. See if I can send this thing to heaven. So as you can see, that was really not a fight. Now, the one I would pick in military time, like a time of big war, it depends on where I was. If I were like a sniper, I'd definitely take old blue. But if I was in infantry, I'd take the dual daisies. 'Cause I mean, if they shot farther, like if I could upgrade them, and these are killer guns. So yeah. I will now shoot those two targets. Now we're going for sniper. So set you back up. Them's two right there. So they're about in the middle of your screen. I'm gonna start with, of course, the Daisy. Again, aiming for the left one. Oh my gosh, this gun is not meant for big people. Bigger than like a 10-year-old. So I missed the first shot. Again with the miss here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. No. I wish I had 2 cameras, so one of them could be on me. wrong target. But that took 18 shots, maybe? I don't remember. I'm not gonna go to old boy over here. Even though it hit it and it should have gotten 100%, it hit the wrong one. So I'm giving it a 50%. It took forever to hit it. And when it did, it was really not the best shot. You know what? I'm gonna get in full sniper stance because I want to hit this first try. Missed. Reload. Oh my days. If this takes me 18, that just means I'm a really bad sniper. This gun is really a sniper. It's not like that petty Daisy. I hit right over it. This is the one, guys. This is the one. My sister's messing around with our tractor, trying to get it to start, even though she doesn't know how to. Oh my days! It's getting old. I only pumped it 8 times this time. Maybe it'll help me focus or something. I'm in the wrong position. I'm gonna try standing up. Now I'll probably just make this into a compilation of misses and not have me actually speaking or nothing. So in the video you probably won't see this. Gosh! Maybe someday I'll be able to. Maybe someday you guys can make it possible for me to buy a bipod for this old blue. Then it could actually be called a sniper. I'm gonna lean against my house. You know what? This Daisy really makes a good armrest. Second to last shot before we just leave it there and say the Daisy won. The Daisy, it really shoots in all different directions, so you really don't aim. You really just spray and pray. And that was a good prayer. If you hear noise, guys, don't pay attention to them. So old blue failed us. Can't believe I'm saying this, but for distance, I wouldn't go for Daisy, but the Daisy won. Now we're gonna do a quick silence test. See which one's more silencio, mi amigo. Set her up again. Here, I need to make sure I grab the right one though. Okay. Okay, ready? This one? Let's see how loud it is. And it's shot. Now let's see how quiet this rainbow blue is. Woo! If there was a sound battle, old blue's losing every time. Now, I have the dreaded long shot again. See if I can hit it, unlike last video where I absolutely missed every single time. Probably can't tell it's a floaty because it's popped, but that was a floaty at one time. That almost seems like it hit it. If you want to see a video where I maybe combine this into a 3-barreled gun, maybe some tape, maybe some zip ties, hit the subscribe button and the like button. If this gets 150 likes, you can see some serious content coming. Well, for now, bye. Oh yeah. Have a good week.